Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about one topic, that is cities basically creation. In cities basically we are talking about one topic, that is the global warming, and global warmings are equal to ideas basically. Global warming are basically equal to ideas, and idea basically contains global warming error basically. So in this basically one of the topic basically, that is solution of the global warming error basically. So in this basically we are discussing about the one topic, that is solution, that is 12th number, cities creation basically. So in cities creation basically we are talking about the topic, that is visa basically. Visa creation basically. So visa creation actually we are talking about. So in visa creation we are talking about the topic, that is the visa topics that is ongoing, right basically. In visa topic we are discussing that how basically on the base of cricket basically the visas are connected. So that is basically the topic, how basically the visas are connected with the cricket. And in this basically cricket basically lots of people says that 99 percentage stock exchange money basically are black, 1% is only basically white money. So assume that Bombay Stock Exchange money basically is 99 lakh crore rupees. Just taking as an example. So in this 1% only basically is the white money. Rest of thing basically are black. And it basically, and on the base of this 1% money only the Bombay Stock Exchange basically is running. 99 rest of 99% basically data are kept just for security purpose basically. For security purpose basically in Bombay Stock Exchange. Like this basically assume 1% told that basically how the Bombay Stock Exchange basically chain basically is connected. Then one of the person told that Bombay Stock Exchange chain basically is connected with USA chain is connected with the European Union basically are connected with the Italian Union basically are connected with Arabic Union. So this everything basically union basically. So this is one big union basically. That is the thing basically. And this everything basically is created also. That is the main thing basically. So in simple language basically, if universe group basically will say that basically this is not proper basically, then entire union basically is going to suffer. So for that basically they might have prepared the all plan also basically. It's not like that basically the entire group basically created or might be sitting like that basically. He might have planned lots of things basically. It's not like that basically. He's only doing having them one plan only basically. He might be having multiple plans basically. So if one plan fails, and one plan fails means the task is basically completed. That means basically another task basically. So another task completed. Then like this basically the task basically are defined, and then basically you have to finish the task basically. So here the task is country creation, planets creation, satellites creation. That basically are the big level tasks. Country creation, planets include everything basically, education, each and everything's basically human needs, each and every human needs contains here basically. So everything basically contains in the the planet creation basically. So whenever basically you are creating the planet basically, then this all things basically contains. So one of the person told that basically this 99% money basically where the money basically are used here. Why basically they are kept as a security money basically. there might be something basically, right? Then he told that basically there might be something basically that 99% basically money are kept as a security purpose in the stock exchange basically. So here basically we are taking as a Bombay Stock Exchange basically. So one of the person told that basically there might be some reason basically that it might have kept like that basically. Reason only 1% money are basically only used in the stock exchange. The rest of money basically are kept as a deposit basically. So one person asked the question basically, why basically the creation is like this basically. Then he told that there might be some reason basically. The creation might be connected to the currencies department. Currency departments means the currency printing department basically. So they want to control the currency printing department. Otherwise, more currency will comes into the market. Then basically, it might convert some problem basically. That is the balancing problem of the currency basically. So balancing problem of the currency means certain level of amounts basically will reach more basically. So that basically is balancing basically. In balancing basically other things basically we can say that spending is there, spending the money basically is there. Spending the money is not supposed to be spending money is not supposed to be larger than the items money. For example, in mall basically uh, there are 1 lakh laptop. So 1 lakh laptop is there basically in city basically, in one mall basically. Assume that basically in mall basically in Vadodara city basically there are 12 lakh laptops in the malls basically. So in Vadodara city basically the money basically are spended according to the currency is printed basically, right? And according to the currency printed, the salary basically are given to the employees basically. So like this basically the currencies balancing basically happens basically. According to the currency printing, the money basically are circulated to the employees basically. That is the in the form of the salary basically. And in other language basically the owners gets the money according to the currency printed. So here the things is company owner, government and the currencies department, and this everything connects with the nuclear power plant that basically is connected to the glacier basically, that is in ice format basically, which is created by one of the nuclear power company and is within the sea water. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic only basically, which we are discussing just now.